This is how to earn money by clicking ads. Get paid instantly to PayPal. Paid advertising is a kind of side hustle that pays off. Advertisement is an effective way to display your company's name to a large amount of audience. You are sure to reach and can promote your content to upraise your brand name with an accurate image and details to obtain more qualified leads. These advertisements appear next to search results on Yahoo, Google, and some other search engines. If you're new here, consider subscribing and click on the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure you stay till the end. You don't want to lose any important news that could make you $1 more. The following are some examples of paid advertisement. Inbox dollars. I was wondering how can I earn by just answering surveys in my email while sitting. These questions can last 5 to 10 minutes of my free time. A usual and straightforward question like what is your most watched movie, anyone can answer that. For you to start earning, you have to do is register your primary email, create a password, and a verified email address. After that, you will be receiving $5. Really? Sign me up. Bucks Inc. Bucks Inc. is one of the trusted paying ads with 100,000 members receiving proof of payments. It has several sites that you can choose from, and just by clicking the next ad, you can earn instantly. Neobucks. Neobucks is one way to earn while playing games, viewing advertisements while doing some home chores. Neobucks lets you participate in free lotteries and make much more than just money. This ad is the king of paid to click. GPT Planet. This paid ad has been in the business for 11 years and still produces good money for its members. It's also for everyone to use because it is international, not like some other paid ads. GPT Planet requires you to read articles, news, and updates regarding the site. To earn $0.001 to 1 cent by playing the ad. A timer is set when the ad has been clicked. Swagbucks. Answer surveys to questions about your idea on different topics. Swagbucks awards you when you finish surveys finishing a study for at least 5 minutes to 30 minutes in length and product evaluation in your own home. This site also offers gift cards for Google Play, Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, a prepaid Visa credit card, or PayPal for payouts. Get paid. This site focuses on filling out surveys, watching videos, transcribing the text, and pays out good money if you put in much effort. You can get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, web money, Amazon gift cards. Good reviews and feedbacks regarding this paid ad. Scarlet Clicks. Scarlet Clicks is a PTC site that offers ad clicking as the primary source of income. It might be an easy way to earn some extra money online. Is it a scam? No, it's not. We have different reviews on people getting paid and earning more than they expect. But this website has a minimum cash out, so don't hesitate to withdraw your earnings. This site provides 30 to 35 ads per day. You can earn $0.015 in just 5 to 10 minutes. What more can you reach in an hour? Not bad. Why cents? The site offered micro-work tasks that include online surveys, promotional offers, and a referral to earn extra bucks. Platforms like Y-Cents allow a regular person to work to earn extra income from home or anywhere else they choose, park, coffee shop, or school, as long as they have an internet connection. This site also offers its services worldwide. These are some examples that can help you earn money by clicking ads. Get paid instantly to PayPal. Please choose one of the 8 websites that we provide to start your new online career. These can actually be a stepping stone to something more productive future using your internet. Good luck. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next video, so make sure you subscribe to get notified when that happened. Plus, if you want to learn more about how to start an online business, then go ahead and click on the first link in the description below this video and get access to our free presentation to see how we could help you start an online business.